Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I encountered a problem with my new Windows 11 PC, which I use for amateur radio. And that problem is that Windows Explorer keeps crashing every time I try to navigate through the file system. This is nothing new, and if you search the internet you will find thousands of posts about it. And there are also some suggested solutions, but none of them helped me or worked for me. So let me show you the problem. You open Windows Explorer, then you try to access the file system, and Explorer is crashing. No response. You can try to close it, then you get the message, no response. This is a German Windows, by the way, but you got the idea. What you can do, you can wait, or you can try to close it one more time, and now it's closed, and you can reopen it, and whatever you try to access, let's go to downloads. Explorer keeps crashing. I tried some of the suggested solutions, like deinstalling the latest updates, repair Windows, etc. And nothing worked for me. What I found is, if you go to the control panel, for example, and then you try to access the file system from here. Let's try C/, then Windows Explorer opens in the old view, in the ribbon view, like you had it in Windows 10. And here it's no problem to access anything on the file system. This is the old view, and if I start Explorer one more time, this is the new view, and if I try to access the file system again, it's crashing. If I do it in this window, not a problem. Okay, now it's crashing also. But if Explorer is open only in the old view, you have no problem accessing anything. So the workaround is you can add a registry entry. Let me open Notepad, and here you have the registry hives you need to add and the keys. I will put a link to that into the description. Simply add this to your registry. I want to add this. Okay, successful. And if you now start Explorer, you are in the old view, like in Windows 10, and everything's working. Let's open another window, and everything's working. So if you can live with the old Windows 10 Explorer, that's maybe a solution for you. That's it for the moment, folks. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.